All right, guys, so this is going to be Thursday, May 14th. And remember, if you actually click the download, you know how you download your article for social studies? You can actually download this when I link it into your text and into your assignments and in your journal entries. So feel free to go ahead and download this, and then you get the audio from me as well. So same thing, remember I'm on Zoom Mondays and Wednesdays, 2 to 3. I'm really trying to get you guys to understand that if you get stuck, that's what I'm here for, all right? I'm there to help. Please come to office hours if you need me. Remember, if you get stuck on an assignment or if you can't find something, just ask, guys. All you have to do is send us a message and we will gladly help you, okay? Same thing, we're still working on Florida in that week 7 e-learning project. You can also search it on Myon or you can download the PDF, but remember there's no audio. So today we're working on pages 16 to 24 only, and remember we're looking for important information. So how can I figure out what's important? So this one's kind of neat because it starts to give you all the important people, and I only copied the first page of it, but you read about like Juan Ponce de Leon, Janet Reno, Chris Everett, and what I'm starting to notice is that there are some really important people that represent Florida in different ways. So these are just 3 of the 6 that you'll find out about, okay? Then this is the page that's a little bit tricky. If you keep clicking, you'll learn about the tree, the state tree, the state bird, things like that. But then you come across our state seal and our state flag, and you really do need to understand the purpose of our state flag and our state seal and what's being represented. So what I notice is that our state seal is actually in the middle of our flag. So the first thing that I need to understand is that it's about Seminole women scattering flowers. I see that there's a steamboat and a palm tree, and I think that's kind of important because palm trees kind of represent Florida. And what I'm also noticing is that it's representing the state's history, industry, and wildlife. And that might be important for you to understand. Like, this flag really does represent what Florida is great for. All right. So when I noticed that, that's kind of what I wrote. Remember, each state has these 2 things, a seal and a flag. So what's being represented? I think I need to know about the state seal because that state seal really does take a whole chunk of the flag. So question 1, use the information from pages 18 to 19. Why are these 6 people included in the book? So go back to those pages, read about those 6 people, what's similar about them. It looks like they're related to Florida. Question 2, what evidence supports this? You need to pick 2. So if it was me, I would make sure that you are picking 2 answers that support your answer to number 1. I would be picking the true information because some of you are picking the silly answers that we put there just as a joke. So make sure that you're going back to pages 18 to 19 and making sure that they are true details about one of those 6 people. Then you have question 3. What is the importance of the Florida state flag? So you need to go and read about the importance of the flag. This means you have to read about the seal as well, guys. So make sure you're aware of that. Then your challenge word is cheesecake. Then you come to me to give me your opinion. And some of you are still not getting the fact that you have to give me a reason. So today's topic, Miss Major is funnier than Miss Stack. And yes, I know this is silly. That was the purpose of it. I want to see your silly reasons. All right. So how do you do this properly? You need to restate your opinion first. You need to give me 2 reasons to support your thinking. This means if I only see one sentence, you can't get full credit. So keep that in mind. So here are 2 examples. If I'm reading through this, here's what I see. I see that it says Miss Major's funnier. There's my restating. She always has corny jokes. That's reason 1. And she tries to make reading and writing more fun. So there's 2 reasons. If you disagree, restating Miss Stack is funnier. She makes learning fun and funny at the same time. That's reason 1. And I joked around and said Miss Major's too mean, which maybe some of you agree with. It's okay. I think Miss Stack's jokes are funny and they make me laugh more than Miss Major. There's reason number 2. Okay? So please keep this in mind when you're reading. Remember to message me if you need help. All right. Good luck, guys.